Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of some items that I recently got in the mail. It's going to be a collective haul of some Marc Jacobs and some Coach items. So if you're interested in this video, then please keep watching. All right, you guys, so I know I have been gone for some weeks now. I, of course, moved and I've been just trying to get into a regular cadence of things. I've actually started going back into the office and my schedule has just been so crazy. I am just out and about a lot more and just really not finding the time to actually film. Just normal busy life, okay? So I have some items right here in the front of me. I'm going to start with the one that I've already opened. It is a Coach package. Let me get this one on top. So I have this item right here in this envelope. I picked this up maybe about a month ago, you guys. So here, I actually already have one of these. This is the medium zip wallet in the bubblegum color. You all know I was obsessing over this color, tried to get a few items in this. I had that wristlet, which they delivered to a wrong house, and I could not get another one. And I could have purchased it again off of, I think it was Dillard's, but I just didn't even bother trying to buy it again. So here is the medium zip around wallet. Let's pull this paper off. In that pretty bubblegum color. It's in the cross grain leather, I think this is. And has that aged gold hardware. And when you open it, it has that tan interior. So pretty. I do have the little, I think, coin pouch that matches this that I bought from Macy's. So I do have a piece that matches this. I don't have a handbag yet, but I have repurchased another one that I previously had before. I was able to get it again because I didn't keep it the first time. I returned it back to Coach, and then I was like, I really want something in this color. So I did manage to get my hands on a handbag to match this. So I do have it, and I will show you guys that after I do these pieces right here. So this one is the first one. All right, you guys, and in keeping with Coach items, it's in here, and surprisingly, I managed to get a new one again. The other one, I did not unwrap it completely. I did take it out of the plastic, but I did not unwrap it. So, and let me stand corrected. It doesn't look like it's new. It just looks like they wrapped it up. So let's open it. So this one is the camera bag. It's wrapped up pretty good. Whoa. Okay. So not new, but that's okay. They've wrapped it in the tissue paper. Well, when I say not new, meaning not wrapped up new. So it probably came from a store. Who knows? Okay. Taking it out the tissue paper. There we have it. Still has the price tag on it, so. And this is stuck. Okay, it was stuck on the dust bag. Okay. Dust bag just thrown in there, folded up and tossed in there. And the strap. Strap still has this little wrapping here. So maybe someone, I don't know, just got it, realized they didn't want it, didn't like it, I don't know. Let's attach that. So I've already done a video on it, so this won't be long, just showing you guys this. And let me get the wallet so you can see it together. There you are. And this should fit in here. It's stuffed, but this will fit in there pretty nicely. Oh, maybe not with the paper, but that's pretty together. It just looks so pretty together when you have, like, I don't know. I'm really into matchy accessories. And so It's not fitting with the paper, but I'm trying to get to my other items that I want to show in this video. So there we go. Zip that up. And very pretty. So I'm glad I was able to get another one of these. Still smells good, smells new, so I like that. So let's move on to the next items. All right, you guys, so my next item is in this box right here. It is a small accessory. I'm moving on to the Marc Jacobs items that I purchased. So let me open it because I actually have not. I just got this in the mail. Ooh, when did I get this? Maybe 3 weeks ago. I'm just now opening this up. Pretty lightly, just some paper. Okay, and this is, wow, I was not expecting for this to come like this. My green one came actually in the packaging, and this is just, look at that, thrown into a dust bag like that. That's trifling. There's no Marc Jacobs dust bag. Yeah, that's pretty trifling right there. Not gonna even lie. So yeah, we won't be keeping that, but I am showing you. I'm not a fan of how this was wrapped and just thrown in here, this dust bag, like. So let's move on, you guys. All right, so my last one is in this box right here. This is a fairly nice sized box. I'm excited about this, and hopefully this looks a lot better than that last one. That last one came from Neiman Marcus, so I'm going to be returning that because I do have the green one, so I don't need the purple one. I thought it was going to be cute, and I would have liked it if it was wrapped up, but I am one of those people that care about how my items come wrapped. It's a turn off for me when I don't see it's new, so I have the receipt for this item. Let me show you guys. This came from Bloomingdale's, and they have it wrapped in tissue paper. So let's see how Bloomingdale's did with this item. And it is another Marc Jacobs tote bag. It is wrapped in just some regular plastic. And I got the pink candy. I think it's the floral color. So you can see how that looks. This one is wrapped pretty good. It's kind of wonky. You know, it's all dented and stuff, but I guess that's okay. Looks like it's wrapped fairly good, so I'm trying to figure out how to get this without really just going in on it, but I'll come back with the video after. Let me get my green one, my little green. Okay, I don't know at the moment where the green charm is. I was hoping to get the green charm and hold it up so you can see it with this, but I have the slightest idea what I did with it. But this one is just for my next unboxing, my last item in this video. So I did pick up the Marc Jacobs. This one is the small, I think, because they upgraded the size from the like old small and the micro. So this one is what used to be called the medium, but this one is the small size here. And let's see if it's on here anywhere. Yeah, it says small size on the tag on the back. So I got this from Bloomingdale's with 10% from Rakuten. So you guys, if you are not signed up for Rakuten, you definitely want to sign up for that to try to get you some cash back. So I think I got like $40 cash back off of this purchase of this right here. All right, you guys? So that is it for this video. If you have any questions about any of these items in this video, definitely comment down below. Sorry I have been gone for so long, but just trying to adjust to my new schedule and just things being hectic. Still trying to get my room together. It looks a complete and utter mess in here. It looks like a tornado ran through here. So I need some more shelving. Still trying to figure out how I'm going to do this room. And I just haven't had the time. So once I get this situated and finish unpacking. You guys know sometimes unpacking the house can take weeks and months, and I'm just in that. I'm not rushing to unpack. So, but when I get it all settled and done, I can come back to making videos regularly. But thank you for hanging in there. I do appreciate you guys for still subscribing to my channel. And as always, you guys have a blessed rest of the day. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alrighty, bye.